Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Nest camera you have and signing into the Google Home app. This prevents account lockouts and saves settings awareness. Once done, make sure the camera is powered and you know the account email and password. Next, locate the reset pinhole or removable base so you can perform the hardware reset. Now open the Google Home app and select the camera to view device details. This is where you will initiate the reset or follow the hardware button process explained next. You will now perform the actual factory reset using either the button or the app. For most Nest models, press and hold the reset pinhole button for about 10 to 30 seconds. Hold until the LED changes color or blinks to confirm reset initiation. If the app prompts, remove the device first, then choose Factory Reset to clear cloud associations. Make sure to keep power connected during the entire hold period, otherwise the reset may fail and require repeating the sequence carefully. After the camera resets, re-add it in the Google Home app by tapping Add, setting your Wi-Fi, and following the guided steps. This restores a clean configuration. Once connected, update firmware if offered and verify the live view, motion alerts, and audio to ensure full functionality. If connection problems persist, power cycle your router and camera, remove the device from your Google account, and perform the factory reset again. This often resolves lingering pairing or network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.